I'm going to show you how to create a rubric in Google Classroom. It's going to make it a lot easier for students to be clear about what you're expecting on an assignment and also make your grading process a lot more streamlined. So I'm going to click on Create and I'm going to choose Assignment here on my Classwork tab. I'm doing a KQK chart, which stands for No Questions and Keywords. It's something I use for research. You can use this for any assignment. So what I am going to do is choose the category. My category is classwork. I use a 4-point scale for all assignments in my class. I'm going to fill in the due date just as I normally would. And I'm also going to give it a topic if that's relevant in my class. You can attach the links that you might need to use for any assignment that you might be like using a worksheet for. In my case, I'm going to create a rubric here at the bottom by clicking plus rubric. So I'm going to choose create rubric. Once you've created it, you can totally import it from any assignment. So I'm going to call this a KQK rubric, and I have a 4-point scale. So my 1 does not meet standard. And usually for that one, I just put does not meet standard. A 2. Of course, you can use any kind of rubric that you want to. I have a 2 on mine, which is meeting standard. And then on my KQK chart, that is going to be, I have 5 questions, and I have 5 key terms. Those are key terms that you might use for Google. This is something that I use for research, but the point is that I'm being really explicit in my rubric creation so that students can make a choice about what they want to do and plan their work accordingly. Standard, I have more than 5 questions, or I have more than 5 key terms, and then 4 I'm just going to make this an and now I have my rubric, so I'm going to say save. When I'm ready, I can attach whatever assignment I need to, and then I'll say assign. And I want to show you what it looks like to grade on a rubric as well. So I already have this one done. I'm going to look at the one my student has turned in. And when it comes time to grade it, using the rubric actually makes it really, really easy, because instead of kind of like, checking in with myself and my feelings and all of that, I have this list of criteria right in front of me, and I can click on it right here, and I can see all of my rubric information. So I can look and see what my student did. So do they have at least 5 questions written down and at least 5 key terms? And I can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, they've met the standard and they have more than 5 key terms, but not both. So I'm going to go ahead and click 3. And if I want to, I can also give them a private comment like good topic choice. And I can say post, and then I can return it, and my student gets their grade of a 3 out of 4. I hope this makes it a little easier for you to use rubrics in Google Classroom and a little bit easier for you to grade using rubrics in Google Classroom.